Hello to all my friends out there. So the Practical Prepper is back. Okay, so I don't know, a couple weeks ago, I started making half batches of cakes, cookies. I just want to make enough for that day. I don't want it hanging around. So I saved half my cake mix. I just eyeballed the package, about half. I added ½ cup water, a ¼ cup oil, and 1 egg. So here's my cake mix because I'm having a tea party soon. So, you know, I want to, rule 2, enjoy life. And so I bought these blueberries for $1 at Dollar Tree. So that was 3/4 of a cup. And so the Dollar Tree blueberries are a good deal. This is the second cake, the second 3/4 batch cake I have made, and I have more blueberries left, probably at least enough for another 3/4. And so, okay, this is why I bought the lard. Here's the lard. After I start using it, I'm keeping it in the refrigerator. So I grease my pan with the lard, and I have flour on my lard. Okay, so I checked it out. I bought this vegetable oil at 99 cents only. So you don't want to be running out of you don't want to be running out of oil. Okay, so lard is pig fat. So in a lot of people's minds, that'd be totally undesirable because pigs are unclean, supposedly. But I have always been eating hams, and you've seen me eat a lot of bacon. And I was surprised all my followers didn't quit following me for eating that bacon. So lard comes in the food packages, and in my mind, lard would be a better source of fat in an emergency because it is animal fat. You have to be, because now remember, we're prepping for the event of an emergency. So when I started using this stuff, I figured the best use would be like greasing my pan, you know, my pans. And I have been frying some stuff in it. And I think it's okay as you don't overdo it. But in the event of an emergency, I think this would be a way to go. Lard is a pig fat and has a distinctive taste. Well, it had a good taste on my tortillas. Crisco, which is more expensive, and you have to buy a bigger, well, they do have small cans, but it's more expensive than lard, is vegetable fat and generally tasteless. That is true. So for the stockpile, what I did is I stockpiled a variety of oils. I don't want to run out of oil. That's not good. So today I needed frosting, so I went to Dollar Tree, and you know, all things being equal, you might as well get the ones with the sprinkles on top. I mean, you know, those sprinkles are good on cookies. So what I do is I want to find, when I'm prepping, I want to find everything at the cheapest possible price. I found this oil to be good. I will stock up on this. I will buy 6. This is good, and I made a special point to get the one with the sprinkles. And this lard is $1.76 for a pound at Walmart. So I'm carefully purchasing everything at the cheapest possible price. Not the cheapest possible thing, but the item at the cheapest possible price. And I'm being careful not to make too much, which leads to wasting. You don't want to do that. And then the most important thing is store food or prep food you use all the time. Okay, I'm having a tea party today, so I need cake. And Pamela, thank you for telling me about your grandmother's cake, because now it's like your grandmother's recipes live on. And I guarantee you, you guys try this. I did one with jam, raspberry jam. It could be any kind of fruit. You could cut up any kind of fruit and put it in your cake. Then you're getting a little fruit as well. So prep food you eat all the time. So I am going to be posting the food I eat all the time, and then that is also the food I prep all the time. So, okay, prepping as a way of life, and God bless you all.